Divine food. While physical food gives you physical health, spiritual food maintains the health of the non-physical part of your personality. Jesus Christ once said, "Man cannot live by bread alone." What Jesus meant was material provision does not suffice. All bread does is sustain us physically. Further to this, one needs divine provision of spiritual food. Without this, the individual cannot develop their personality. The fact is, in this world, everything has two distinct sides to it, the material and the spiritual. From the material things which surround you, you must be able to extract the spiritual content. Only then you will be able to garner spiritual or divine food. If material food maintains your physical health, then the divine content of material things develop your personality along spiritual lines. While physical food gives you physical health, spiritual food maintains the health of the non-physical part of your personality. For example, let's consider water, combination of hydrogen and oxygen. Although it is made from two material elements, when it enters the human body, it becomes assimilated with it, giving it vital sustenance. When you discover this affinity between water and your body, you provide yourself with spiritual food for thought, leading to the realization and appreciation of God's wisdom in that He created water, a combination of elements, in such a way that is compatible with our bodies. Discoveries of this kind made by observing various material objects and events around us and extracting spiritual content from them will give us unlimited solace and contentment. Extracting the spiritual content from material things will give you spiritual food to enable you to develop yourself as a spiritual person. If this is your desire to be a spiritual person, you must learn the art of such extraction.